Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Ross County, southern Pickaway County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Bourneville, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Kingston. In addition, Bourneville, Newcastle, Latteville, North Fork Village, Frankfort, Andersonville, Clarksburg, and Pickaway County airports are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.